This is Mr. TikTok. I woke up today and I come to the news that Instagram and Facebook are down yet again. This is a very common occurrence these days. It really is starting to look very weird. If you guys notice, when they finally fix it, or when it is finally back, they never tell us the concrete event that took down the website or the application. Are they hiding something? Or they just don't see the point in telling us what occurred? Are they getting hacked? Are they getting interference from another country? Or is just that their servers go down from so many users being online and uploading things at the same time? I am one of those persons that would like to know. They want to know if the people's data is safe. There are people that upload very personal stuff. I do not do that because, it's obvious. The first step to not getting your personal information stolen is to not put your personal information on social websites. But some people want to do that. They should be able to do that without having any fears of getting their information stolen. Without the people, these websites and applications would be dead. They need to tell us what occurs when they go down. I assure you guys that they are just going to tell us when everything is back to normal, but they're not gonna tell us what occurred. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time.